LaVoit, every product we make puts the health of your family first. We're introducing the LaVoit Core 300 True HEPA Air Purifier, a modern upgrade to home wellness. To help combat common health issues, we've designed the 3-stage filtration system to catch a wide range of contaminants and keep your air as clean as possible. Combining efficiency with comfort, our powerful air circulation technology refreshes your space in minutes while adding minimal noise to your home. While you rest easy, the air purifier keeps working all day long. Upgrade your air quality with the LaVoit Core 300 True HEPA Air Purifier, designed with your family.
want to make juice from just about any fruit or vegetable you can get your hands on. The possibilities are endless. It's easy to assemble, easy to clean, and easy to store. All plastic parts are dishwasher safe, and thanks to its powerful 1.1 horsepower motor, the Big Mouth Pro Juice Extractor has excellent juice yield. In fact, it's been rated Best Buy by a leading consumer advocacy publication. The signature Big Mouth food chute is wide enough to fit whole fruits for less pre-cutting. The extra-large cook bin lets your juice longer without having to stop and clean it out. It also allows you to store the pulp to use in recipes or for composting. And that's good thing.
Discover the Presto Pizzazz Plus rotating pizza oven. It's the fast and easy way to bake fresh or frozen pizza, thin or rising crust. Plus, it prepares convenience foods like frozen chicken wings, jalapeno poppers, fish fillets, egg rolls, and more. The Pizzazz Plus features a rotating tray that turns continuously for even baking. While ordinary ovens are heating, you're eating. No need to preheat. Simply set the timer and it begins to bake. The top and bottom heating elements bake food from both sides, quickly and evenly, and the to make a crispier crust, or the top element for a bubblier topping. And with the open oven design, it's easy to see when the pizza is done just the way you like it. The timer signals when cooking time is complete. It automatically turns the heating elements off. With the non-stick baking pan removed, cleaning and storage is easy. The Pizzazz Plus doesn't heat up your kitchen and can save as much as 60% in energy compared to a conventional oven. Chicken nuggets, quesadillas, grilled sandwiches, even cookies and cinnamon rolls. And of course, pizza! Delicious! The Pizzazz Plus...